Got an inch thick coating, can run at about 30 miles per hour. Now that seems pretty indestructible, but unfortunately, not so much so when it comes to
The other one's sleeping.
pretty cool. Yeah.
They turned.
Lucky It's a bull elephant right there. That boy could be about 12,000 pounds. Eats over 300 pounds of grass. Up. You're so good. It tastes like candy. See if we can't see any more over here. Now both male and female elephants possess ivory tusk. That is what the poachers are hunting for. But fortunately, our scientists here on the reserve are studying elephant vocalization. That way we can get a better understanding of how they communicate, so we can figure out a better way to help them.
Oh, there's so many of them.
Right, speaking of themes of our safari, the backside derives from the Afrikaans word "vite," which means wide mouth. So we'll get a better view of those antelope out there in just a moment. Meantime, look at those baby ostriches.